So hey guys, I'm back with another Outre wig. These Outre wigs been slaying. Like what? Like girl, I don't even know. Like I'm so excited I can't even talk. Like this curl pattern was gorgeous. This is from the Sleek Lay collection and this style is called Lavette. I got it in a color 1. So here is the construction of the wig. It didn't come with a lot of lace, but it was pretty laid. Like I had to do pretty much nothing with this wig. I did not have to pluck really. I didn't have to do too much. But here's the card so you guys can see the style. So here I'm going to just apply the wig to my head. It is big head friendly and it fit perfectly. So see, it came with the little cute baby hairs. Like everything was already set, like everything. I did powder it before I applied the wig, and I'm just gonna go in with that trusty even spray it down. You guys know the drill. And then I'm gonna use my elastic band to make it hold for like 10 minutes. So once again, I'm just going to put my elastic band on and we're going to leave that on for 10 minutes. So now 10 minutes is up. Now we're going to take off that band and it was pretty secure, and now we're going to go in and cut the lace. I'm going to try not to cut the baby hairs because I really like the baby hairs. So I'm using my shears in zigzag motion and cutting the lace. You guys already know the drill. We're going to fix some of those lifted parts because once again, I didn't put too much even spray. I just did one coat because I'm going to take this wig off and put another wig on. I have a few videos to do, so you guys know the drill. So here I'm just going to cut. And then after that, I'm going to use my spray. I'm using the bed head spray and I'm going to just spray it so the lace could lay down. So now I'm just going in with my powder just to make sure that lace is blended, and then we're going to go in and flatten the little lump on top of this wig. I'm using my Care wax stick. I'm just going to use that and put it on the top, and then I'm going to use my hot comb. I'm going to use it up to 400. I think that's the highest this wig can take heat. And I'm just going to go in and just hot comb it and make sure that hump is kind of flat. Yes, we're going to lay it and lay it and lay it. Make sure everything is flat. I did go in and tweeze a little bit. I wanted to open up the part. You don't necessarily have to, but I like it. So I decided to like tweeze a little bit just to open it up a little bit more and give a cleaner kind of scalp-like appearance. So I'm just going to use the same powder, my matte powder in NW45. I'm just going to use that and kind of powder the part. And then I'm going to go in with my Revlon Color Touch Up and just clean up that part and make sure everything is perfect. So I wanted to do a little baby hairs. Y'all know I'm still trying to perfect the baby hairs. And this day I was not getting the baby hairs. I was struggling a little bit. But I just wanted to do it like something light, something 1 or 2 swoops, nothing too crazy. So that's what you're going to see me do right now. Just making sure everything is laid. I used actually my Gots to be and some mousse just to lay the hairs down, and I just did 2. I didn't go too crazy with the baby hairs. I'm still perfecting to lay the hairs down. And that's pretty much it. I used my fingers to finger comb the curls, and this curl was not getting big, it wasn't getting fluffy, like the curls stayed in place. Like it was so gorgeous. Like it was beautiful. It was giving old Hollywood, it was giving volume, everything that I love. It was beautiful. It was soft curls. It wasn't really tangling, excuse me, tangling. Let me get my words right. And the curls was very soft. And the curl pattern is just gorgeous. Like this is, you could wear this every day if you wanted to. Me, I would wear it every day because I'm extra like that. But yeah, this could be a gorgeous occasion wig to go out and step out in. Something beautiful and quick to put on to give a little glam. This was beautiful. Like I really love this wig. The curls is so pretty. Really love this unit. And you guys need to see me smiling. You guys need to get this. Please get this unit because this unit was really simple. I did it under 10 minutes. It was very quick and easy. The curls stayed. It did not move. It did not lose its pattern. The curls was gorgeous. Okay. So yeah, guys, that wraps it up pretty much. If you like this unit, I have other installs from Outre. Just like and subscribe. Bye.